Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. So as usual, before we start with the geometry, let us spend some time in studying this geometry and trying to see how we'll proceed with the drafting. After analyzing this drawing, I feel that the best starting point would be drawing this base rectangle of 75 units by 50 units, then extruding it by 32 units, then drawing this wedge and using the press pull feature of AutoCAD, pushing it inside and creating a gap of 36 units. Then creating this extrusion on the top. So the length of this line should be 50 minus 12. Then the height should be 56 minus 32. Then this weight is 24 and join the start with the end and extrude it to a distance of 24 units. Then select both the entities and using the union command, join it. So let me show you how we'll proceed with the drafting. So we'll create a new drawing and we'll first begin by drawing a rectangle which should be of 50 units and 75 units. So we come into our drawing and we use the rectangle command and we click in the top left corner and we select 75 units, press tab 50 units and hit enter. So our base rectangle is now ready. Hmm. Now we want to see this in the southwest isometric view. So we click on this home tab and we are now in the southwest isometric view. Now we want to extrude this to a thickness of 32 units. So we click on this 2D wireframe first and change it to shaded with edges. Then we click on the extrude command and click on the object to extrude, press enter and give the thickness as 32 units and press enter. So we get our extruded rectangle of 32 units. Now the next thing which we would like to do is we want to create this edge wedge. Now you can see that the entire length of the wedge is 50 units and this side it is 9 and this side it is 9. So 50 minus 18, 32. So this distance is 32 units. So we'll click in our drawing port and we'll first change the view to the left view, left profile view. So we click on coordinates and here we select left view. You can see the grid has changed to the left view. Now we use the line command and we also turn the ortho on and we click anywhere in the drawing board and give a distance of 32 units and press enter. Again enter to end the command. Now as you know, if you see this drawing, the extrusion is 32 units and this is 16 units. So this should also be 16 units. So we type the line command. We come into a drawing board, we type the line command and click on, we type mid and click over here and then extend it downwards 16 units and hit enter. And then join it with this line, hit enter. And another line will draw. We'll select end point of this line and join it with the end point of this line. And our profile is ready. We no longer need the referential line. We select it and delete it. And then we select our geometry and using the join command, we make into one surface. Now we want to move this over here. So we type move and we press enter. Then we click on our object, press enter. Base point, I want the midpoint of this. And where you want to move it, again I'll say midpoint. I'll turn the ortho off and click over here. So now our profile has come in the left view. Now using the press pull feature of AutoCAD, I would like to pull it inside to a distance of 36 units. So I come into a drawing, use the press pull feature, click on this face and press it inside 36 units, press enter and our wedge gets cut to a distance of 36 units. Then I press the escape key and the profile has left a small view. So select that old view and press delete to get rid of that old profile view. Now we have to create this upper geometry. So this is the geometry we want to create. So first we'll calculate what is the distance of this line. So this hole is 50 and from that we want to minus 12. So we want to create a line of 38 units. Okay, by 24 units and height also 24 units. So we come into our drawing and anywhere outside we use the line command, turn the ortho on and draw a line of 38 units, press enter, upward 24 units, enter, left 24 units, enter, and join with the end point of this line and press enter. Now we select this entire entity and using the join command we make it into one shape. Now we want to move this shape to the upper right corner of our rectangle. So we type move. What you want to move? This shape, enter. Where is the base point? I select end point over here. And where you want to move it? I'll select end point of this rectangle over here. Now I'll extrude this inside to a distance of 24 units. So I use the extrude command. I click on the face, press enter and take it inside to a distance of 24 units and press enter. Now our geometry is complete. So you can select both the shapes, type union and make it into one shape. Then you can turn the grid off by pressing F7 and you can take a closer view of your geometry. Also, you can use the orbit command and orbit and see your geometry in all possible views. So friends, in this tutorial, we have seen how to make this beautiful geometry in AutoCAD. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.